Hi, my name is Ashley King, and today I will be doing the Alabama Virtual Library demonstration. This is for my class EIM 505. First, I will show you how to access the resource that I will be using on today. First, you want to go back to the home screen here. First, you want to go to the Alabama Virtual Library. Here's the website here. And right under the home screen, you want to go under Student Resources, and down here at the bottom, click College and University. This will bring up a list of college and university resources. Now, here's the list. Some of these things that I have actually used before. Now, I've used the Gale literary sources before, but today I'm going to do the Gale Power Search. It's one that I haven't really used before. As you can see, you can pull up journals, newspapers, reference content, all of these things on the Gale Power Search. The Gale Power Search is a great tool. You can see all the collections, like I said, of the different resources and references, and it does a lot of cross-searching as well. So it's a great tool. Now, with any new site or new device, anything that you use, I will always recommend finding the help tool. So you can go under more here. Right here is help. And we're going to see what the help tells us. Now under help here, you can see it gives you help on the home page, advanced searches, bookmarks, and etc. Just click on these things, look it over, and find out what you don't understand. And it's a great way to learn how to navigate through this site. Also, let's go up under here, and I'm gonna just do a basic search of music. So, as you can see on the side, it tells me how many journals, books, news, images, videos, audios, or music. And of course, down here, you can either broaden your search, like this is very broad, or you can narrow it. I say, between the last week or so. See how it's shortened everything down? This is an awesome tool, awesome way to get more information on whatever topic you're using. Thank you.